Hey Tractor Chasers, in today's video we are out in the field with this 1973 model Field Queen side dump forage harvester. This forage harvester was incredibly advanced when it was introduced in 1971, and I want to share with you some of the details about this machine and also the reasons why it's designed the way it was. The Field Queen company was originally based in Mays, Kansas. Field Queen was way ahead of their time with self-propelled forage harvesters and dominated the self-propelled forage harvester market. From 1971 through 1976, they were the largest supplier of self-propelled forage harvesters in the world. Field Queen had other models of forage harvesters that did not have the dump cart mounted on the back. They were just a regular self-propelled forage harvester, but they still had the front wheel steering and were unique in that way. The side dump model has the benefits that you are carrying your forage box with you. You don't have to pull a wagon around the field, which makes it really easy for opening up the fields. The previous owner of this forage harvester used to have a business where they would go around and open up fields for dairy farmers to make it easier when they had to come in and chop so they didn't run over any corn. The side dump model is also very handy in muddy conditions because again you're not dragging the forage box behind you, pulling it through the mud. These big tires give you great traction and flotation over the muddy conditions. The side dump Field Queen forage harvesters were made between 1971 and 1982. The early models were produced with a Cat V8 engine, but later models like this one shown here ran a 6V71 Detroit diesel 275 horsepower V6 engine. If you're wondering where they hide the engine on this, it's actually under the dump box. When the dump box is raised up, you can easily access the engine for any service. You might notice that the dump box on the back of this is blue. There were a few Field Queens that were specially painted at one time for different customers, and this box was originally used as a pull-type box on a separate wagon, but when the original box for this forage harvester rusted out, the previous owner swapped it with the same box from a pull-type wagon. So that's why the dump body is blue and not yellow like the rest of the forage harvester. The dump box on the back of this is also unique in the fact that it doesn't have just a flat bottom on it. As the dump box raises, there's a small chain that pulls the bottom of the dump box up, and that creates a 45-degree angle, which allows the forage to slide out much better than if it was actually a square dump body the way that it looks like. If you love Field Queen Forage Harvesters, a lot of the information for this video came from the book Performance Endurance by Tyler Hall, which gives the entire history of Field Queen Forage Harvesters. I recommend checking it out if you're interested in these. hope you love being out in the field with this Field Queen Forage Harvester. And again, if you get a chance, check out Tyler Hall's book, Performance Endurance, all about the Field Queen Forage Harvester history. And if you love seeing all sorts of farm equipment in action, please subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.